The journey to becoming rich. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here today. Let's talk about a topic that touches the heart of every dreamer, every hard worker, and every person who wants to create a better life. The journey of how to become rich. Now, when I say rich, I don't just mean having a bank account filled with money. I mean creating a life of abundance, freedom, and value, where money is a tool, not a trap. Becoming rich doesn't start with money. It starts with mindset. The way you think about wealth determines whether you attract it or push it away. If deep down you believe that wealth is only for the lucky, the corrupt, or the overly talented, then you've already built a wall between yourself and success. But if you believe, truly believe, that you can create wealth through discipline, value, and vision, then you've already taken your first step. Wealth doesn't fall from the sky. It grows from within. That's why the first and most important investment you'll ever make is in yourself. Read books that teach you how money works. Watch videos that push your thinking. Listen to people who've done what you want to do. Educate yourself relentlessly, because no one can steal knowledge from you, and knowledge is the foundation of wealth. But knowledge alone is not enough. You need to take action. You need to think beyond just earning a salary. Most wealthy people don't rely on just one source of income. They create multiple streams. Maybe it starts with a job, then they freelance on the side, then they invest that extra income. Maybe they start a small business, buy property, or write a book. The idea is to have money flowing in from different places, so you're never dependent on just one. Now here's something that surprises many. Rich people often live below their means, especially in the beginning. They aren't out there trying to impress the world with luxury before they've built real wealth. They track their spending, they save aggressively, and they invest consistently. The point is simple. It's not about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep and what you do with it. So where do you put that money you save? You invest it, but not blindly. You take calculated risks. You learn about the stock market, real estate, mutual funds, or starting a business. You understand the risks. You study the trends. And then you act, because nothing great is achieved without some risk. You can't become rich sitting on the sidelines afraid to make a move. And yes, you'll make mistakes. But every successful person has failed at something. The difference is, they learned from it and kept moving forward. Now, here's another truth about becoming rich that most people overlook. The richest people aren't always the smartest, but they often have the right people around them. They surround themselves with mentors, visionaries, hard workers, and people who challenge their thinking. If you're constantly around people who complain, who make excuses, who fear growth, it will pull you down. But if you're around people who talk about ideas, growth, and solutions, it lifts you up. And above all, you must learn to think long-term. Real wealth isn't built in a week or even a year. It's built over time, with patience, focus, and consistency. It's built by waking up each day, making small but powerful decisions that compound over time, saving a little more, learning something new, improving your business, investing in your skills, and staying away from short-term temptations. So, what does it really take to become rich? It takes belief that you are capable. It takes discipline to manage money and stay focused. It takes courage to take smart risks. It takes hunger to keep learning and growing. And it takes patience to keep going even when progress is slow. The road to wealth isn't easy, but it's worth it. It's not for the lazy, not for the fearful, but for those willing to do what others won't, so one day they can live how others can't. Remember this: every rich person you admire once started where you are, uncertain, afraid, and full of questions. The only difference is they started anyway. And so can you. Your journey to becoming rich doesn't begin tomorrow. It begins today, with the choices you make, the habits you build, and the belief you carry. Thank you, and may your path to wealth be bold, wise, and fulfilling.